Hi guys, this video is about how to retain clients during a challenging time. If you are one of the industries or one of the services that a client wants to cut right now to cut costs, it is not his fault. Maybe it's my fault because I've not been able to show to my client that this is a revenue producing exercise. If I'm only doing social media for clients, he say, you know what, this is only advertising what I have. So forget it. I want sales. I'll do revenue management first. I'll make sure that my money comes in first and I'll do all the advertising and branding later. A client normally plans for 30, 90 and 180. So 30 days, 90 days and 180 days. That's how most companies plan. So if your money is going out every month and your results are in his head coming after 180 days, then he'll cut and you won't be able to retain. If he's paying you every month and your return is coming after about 180 days, he might cut it half, but he says, I can't work with you because I don't know when to see the results. If your results are coming in the same month and you're charging X and giving him 2, 3, 4X, he will never cut your retainer. You know why? Because you are an investment and he wants to put in more and more money into you. During these times, I'm putting in more money on Facebook and Instagram ads than I've ever done before because it's giving me results every day. So I don't care about the money that I'm putting in because I'm getting in multiple X returns. So ladies and gentlemen, you need to now to be able to save clients during this time. You need to be able to find a strategy to be able to understand the client's business much better than you ever did. And find out what you can do to be able to add directly to the client's profitability, directly to his revenue, and then have a nice video call and say, I want to talk to you. Get him on the call and say, you know what? This is what I've understood. I've been through your business like I've never been before. And I've been to your business as much as maybe you love your business. And I've realized these are the 4 plugs that we can fill. And for this, I don't want you to cut. I'm not going to charge you more. I'm going to put in more resources because I'm going to need to work hard during these times. But at the same time, you cannot cut the price because then I won't be able to put in this plan together. You want to hear the plan? Then tell him the plan. How is it that you can help them go from A to B in the shortest amount of time? Don't focus on this 180 and all of that. Tell him, I want to focus on the now. Some clients will come back and say, it's very nice you've understood my 30, 180 and 360 and all of those plans. So you're able to think long term. Please keep working long term. Don't let the momentum go down and all of that. But some clients might say, I don't know, yaar, paise la ke do tabhi paise banenge. So you understand in business, what is he exactly looking for and double down on that. I'll give you an example. We do websites, social media, revenue management, pricing strategies, and paid ads and everything for clients. The clients have cut off most of the things because I presented to them that Google ads will give you results this much time, Facebook ads, this is the sales cycle, social media branding, this is the sales cycle, newsletter marketing, this much. Most of them said, okay, Facebook marketing, Google ads, you can give me clients every day, leads every day, good. My team will call the clients and they'll confirm a client within 2 weeks. Okay, Avi, let's do Google ads and Facebook ads. We can pause the emailers. No, but all of those are part of the system. Yes, they are. But right now in this situation, let's cut those and amplify these. So I was able to save the client by giving these options rather than sitting back and saying, I lost a client. Just a little bit of a perspective. I hope this short video helps you. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. Understand, step 1, understand the client's business in more detail. Understand the 30, 180, 30, 90 and 180 scenario of the client. And then understand where is your business giving them return, in which period, in which sector, in 30, 180, 60, how is it falling, 30, 90, 160, 180. And then have a call with the client and say this is what it is and this is what will give you return then. And then allow him to either keep the retainer the same. You'll be surprised. In many cases, he will say, I've understood your business, your work is investment for me. Take it to the next level. Some clients pay more money during this time and then see your service as an investment. I hope this video helps, ladies and gentlemen. Go to my YouTube channel, Ask Avi Arya. There are many more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching so far. And I hope and pray that you work hard. If you work hard, you get out of everything. All the best. Thank you very much for your time. Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video allowed you to have a mind shift to know where you need to go in your journey as an entrepreneur. Now I'm adding a link over here. Please click on this link. I've got the description below as well. Copy this link, paste it in your browser, click, and in this Ask Avi, you're going to find an answer to where you want to go and why you're watching this video. Go ahead and spend your time over there. I'm giving you this link. Click on this link and go find your answer. Thank you very much for watching.